Hey guys, got a good one for you. This is a 92 Toyota 4Runner with 3-liter. Had a knock sensor code, plus it had valve cover leaks. So what I ended up doing was I did the upper plenum with the 2 valve cover gaskets, and then I noticed where the knock sensor was. Now, like most of you, if I was doing a complete overhaul on the motor, head gaskets or whatever, I just pull the intake and replace it. But since it runs really decently, I decided not to do that. What I did was I ordered a new knock sensor harness. And since the knock sensor wire is located right under the intake here, right here under the main intake hose, I went down to the bracket, which you can see it right there, and it's working perfectly. The check engine light went away. It's running a lot better. This fix, using, Amazon parts or eBay parts, just online. The harness was $15 and the knock sensor was $20. But if you're going to end up doing a rebuild or you want to pull the intake completely off to do it, that's up to you. I just did this just to see if it'd work, and it did. Works fine.